Just picked up the PHIII from Science & Sons, the Phonofone 3, and we're going to do a little unboxing here and a sound test to see how it is. It's all packed up inside there. And there is our Phonofone 3, all nice in plastic. Careful not to drop it.
Oh, it's pretty.
It's very pretty, and it's quite strong actually. Wow. Okay, so there it is. It's got a silicone little cup here, and I guess that's where my iPhone's going to go in. And let's try something here. Let's try some music. Here. Alright, and let's try it inside. It's nice.
That's pretty impressive for no electronic parts.
No, it's just all passive. It's all coming through and going out. Just like a gramophone. It's awesome. It's a new spin on it. I love it.
Can we do something else?
Sure. And there you go. That is the Phonofone 3 from Science & Sons.